Hi, and welcome to TR Cribs. You caught me without my makeup on. One sec. That's better. We're gonna give you the dime tour. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath condo with a fabulous, glorious walk-in closet. No luxury condo would be complete without a bidet. And here's the spa. The water juts out so fast that it feels like a jacuzzi. Moving on, we have the master bedroom. We have a guest bedroom, but no one ever uses it, and I really don't like having company over. I'd like to show you the game room and movie theater. Because I don't have a selfie stick, this stormtrooper is a visual representation of basically what I do every single day. All the time. All day. No tour would be complete if I didn't show you my state-of-the-art gym. This bed out of the way. Great. And now I have my own personal Tabata gym. This is where I do all the workouts.
All the workouts.
Hear that sound? That's awesome. Looks like mac and cheese. That's delicious. Just in case I need a little afternoon pick-me-up. If you'll step this way, this is the drink bar, my personal pharmacy, and the coffee bar. This is my vanity. Currently doing some laundry right now. Okay, so this noise is an invention of mine, which is how I made my millions and landed in a beautiful condo like this. Pending, this is a DIY clothes dryer. Hair tie. Or the towel that I just was washing to dry. There it is. It's a little noisy, but we have some dry cleaning services out here as well. Here is a towel that's drying and some pajama pants that I oh so desperately need. And the humidity is making my glasses fog up. If you'll step with me over here, we'll come to my office. This executive style study comes complete with a beautiful MSI Raider laptop with fidget spinner and fancy pen. This is where all the work happens. We're gonna move on to the study. Oh, hi, there you are. What really attracted me to this condo is this stunning view.